In 2020 January, people from across the world started facing the effects of the pandemic. In India, people started sharing all types of necessities with those who were in need, oil being one of the most crucial. From waking up in the morning, one's interaction with oil begins. It is not just essential for cooking, but the Indian culture is embedded with various uses of oil through various stages of life and across all age groups. On basis of different packaging material, the interaction also differs. Edible oil is a source of dietary fat, one of the three major classes of food. It plays an essential role in the body, satisfying nutritional needs, growth, and is necessary for proper functioning of the brain and nerve system. Starting with cooking breakfast for oneself and family, to oiling our hair, massaging the baby, applying it as a moisturizing agent on the body, used in home remedies to cure small cuts and bruises, and also for various other purposes. Our everyday life is filled with interaction with edible oil in one way or the other. This makes India the largest consumer of edible oil. But what happens to the packaging after its consumption? Most of the edible oil packaging is made of LDPE, PET bottles, and tin that are either burned or dumped in the landfills. The plastic packaging in landfills further disintegrates into microplastics and ends up in water bodies, affecting the whole ecosystem. Edible oil and its packaging are made for the consumption of the human race. Looking at the entire system, one can easily understand the only stakeholder that benefits from the production are humans. How can we introduce inclusive industrialization, which is ethical, responsive, and beings involved in the system can benefit from it? We introduce you to SPOIL, that stands for Sustainable Packaging for Oil, that focuses on production, consumption, and externalities, which aims to benefit all stakeholders involved in the system. Why SPOIL? A play on the notion of packaging, SPOIL is provocative and questions the convention of edible oil industry. This design proposal rethinks the nature of both edible oil and its packaging. Let's delve into the existing edible oil industry. Soybean oil seed has been taken as an example here to show the production process of oil. The process begins by the sowing of seed into the soil, which further turns into a sapling to a grown plant with flowers. The flowers further develop into fruit, which contains soybean oil seeds. These seeds, after drying, are harvested and sent to the oil industries. There they go through cleaning and drying in order to remove the husk. They are further converted into flakes, which then go for extraction through either mechanical or solvent extraction machines. From this, the byproduct obtained is called oil cake. Oil cakes are further used for feeding cattle. The oil which is extracted goes to the refineries. There it goes through four processes, which are degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. From these processes, we get byproducts which are lecithin, free fatty acids, and acid oil. After the refining process, oil that are rich in polysaturated fatty acids are prone to oxidation and go through a certain process called winterization that helps separate saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. The byproduct obtained here is stearin. Stearin, being rich in saturated fatty acid, is solid at room temperature and less prone to oxidation. Stearin is used in baking industry as an alternative for cocoa butter. We found some potential in stearin and started experimenting with it. A human body needs 22 grams of saturated and 44 grams of unsaturated fatty acid in a 2000 calorie diet per day. The SPOIL pellet is designed by keeping this in mind. Each pellet contains 4.75 ml fatty acid, 1.58 ml of saturated, and 3.17 ml of unsaturated fatty acid. Stearin acts like a protective layer for the unsaturated fatty acid, making it less prone to oxidation. The form of the pellet is spherocylinder. The reason for choosing this form was its less volume to surface area ratio, which ensures that the consumption of saturated fatty acid will be lower than that of unsaturated fatty acids. The form is also associated with medicine, hence creating an image in the mind of the user to be conscious about its consumption. In order to protect the pellets from external hazards, secondary packaging is introduced. During the process of extraction, oil cake, which is a byproduct, is obtained. Oil cake is rich in antioxidants and proteins, which is great for protecting the capsule from getting oxidized. We try to develop it into a potential biomaterial for packaging. In order to make the material flexible for packaging, pectin from lemon peels and glycerol were added. The mechanism of the packaging is designed in a way that only 2 capsules are dispensed at a time, which will make the user conscious about their consumption. 1 pellet is equal to 1 teaspoon of oil. The packaging contains 500 ml of oil, which is 105 pellets. The form is decided on the basis of familiarity and efficient stackability of the pellets. The form can be easily stacked in one's kitchen without using up a lot of space, and it fits perfectly in the hand of the user. The secondary packaging is biodegradable, and after its usage further goes into the soil to act as a fertilizer for the soil due to its high nitrogen content. This packaging and the capsules together comprise spoil. Spoil is an experience, a rather new one for using edible oil, a recomposition of existing process in an eco-centric manner, keeping the cultural relationship with oil intact.